In today's video, we're seeing how much weight we can hang by using caulk. Hey guys, we got Kenan joining us today.
Hey!
So Kenan used to work in construction, and we're gonna be dealing with hanging stuff on the walls, so he's gonna help us out.
Yeah, I've used that once or twice. It hangs just about everything.
About everything? Well, we got a couple of things here. We just got a canvas. We're gonna see if we can put a canvas on the wall just using caulk.
Yeah.
Then I'm gonna take this, we're gonna tie a string around this dowel, and we're gonna caulk it to the ceiling and tie weights to it to see how much weight it can support. Here's the basic idea. We have a canister of adhesive caulk that binds like glue and seals like caulk. We are going to see how much weight we can hang from it. After the unfortunate accident of the Columbia Space Shuttle, NASA developed a high-tech caulk gun to repair the space shuttle tiles in space. So it's been used to keep the ceramic tiles on the space shuttle during re-entry. Can it hold a person?
I say yes. I think it can hold me.
Now, I don't know if this is the exact same stuff NASA uses. Probably not.
Well, can you like make a phone call real quick and call your NASA people?
Let me just call my peeps and I'll let you know.
Please.
All right, let's do some dots of caulk on this. So I did experiment with this before, and I did a whole line of caulk all the way around and stuck it on the wall. It's over there, and it's been there for like a week and a half.
It is not
Perfect.
moving.
We're gonna just do little dots in each corner. We have an industry professional helping us out.
Yeah, seriously.
And push.
Yeehaw.
Little yeehaw.
Got a little bit on there, so we're gonna wipe that off. But so far, so good. Looks sturdy.
It'll stay here through the apocalypse.
A few moments later.
Oh,
We just did the dot, 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 and not a lot technique here.
I'm actually disappointed that that didn't
I'm
hold,
kind of sad.
but also excited in that we saw it fall.
I'm also kind of hyped that my yeehaw is not destroyed.
You know, since that other canvas worked, maybe it was just the yeehaw that the wall didn't like.
Oh, rejected by the TKOR studio. That's old.
Everyone likes a yeehaw. Yeehaw.
That's the new thing. It's gonna be, the next shirts are gonna be TKOR, yeehaw.
So the next thing I want to do is hang this to the ceiling.
All right.
With string. And then what we have over here in front of Kenan is a bunch of blocks of wax. So we can like break them off. And I want to hang like one at a time. Mr. Professional, so I'm going to let you redeem yourself.
Okay.
Well, first let's tie the string. So we'll just do it on one end. So we're going to use a lot of string.
Beautiful.
And we'll tie this end over here. And then we'll put caulk on the entire dowel, including the string. Boop. And push it.
Oh.
Good old push.
Let's break that open. So this is supposed to be quick seal. We don't exactly know how quick is quick. It does not give us a ready in 30 seconds or anything like that. It does say if we're attaching it to latex or oil-based paints, we need 36 hours.
Oh.
Let's tie it right here. Oh. Why would you pull it that hard? Like that is way more than 1 pound force. I say we let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes to give it a chance to start to set itself, and then we start putting on the wax.
Yeah, maybe Grace just stay up there and blow on it for like the next half hour. Yeah,
See ya.
That's working. So one thing that we can try looking at maybe in another video is the different types of caulks that there are. So there's lots of different adhesives that you can use in construction, from other brands that are made by DAP that are used for different surfaces to things like silicone or liquid nails. And some of these things set a lot faster, especially like epoxy, which is what we use to set sinks in the construction business. And those things can set within a few minutes and hold thousands of pounds.
Why didn't we get that?
Do you have any contacts?
Yeah, back in Illinois, can you wait like 3 days?
Oh, maybe. They ship it out.
No.
Yeah.
I want to hang upside down today.
We're seeing how much wax the caulk dowel can hold up. So this is
Now,
going
are
to be
you-
3 pounds when we let it. It's holding 3 pounds, and we just put this up a couple minutes ago. So it hasn't cured, but it has enough adhesive properties to hold it for a little bit.
I'm impressed.
So far, so good.
3 pounds.
So let's take the weight off a little bit, and let's throw the 4th pound on there. 4 pounds.
Oh,
All right.
It just wiggled
It's
a little
wiggling.
Uh-oh.
I
little
see
bit
it
of wiggle
separating
moving
over
on.
here.
It is separating a little bit.
I think so.
I'm gonna add another one in here.
All right, Kevin. Living life on the wild side.
Oh, there it is.
Oh.
All right. 1, 2, 3, 4 was good. 5 pounds. A 10-minute, 5-minute caulk
Nate and Callie
application.
are not going to be happy with the mess we are leaving.
Oh, it just gives the studio more character.
5 pounds. So do you think that this is going to hold Grace still?
If it fully cures, it's possible. So we've reattached our dowel up to the top with the caulk. We are gonna let this one cure for a couple days and then try it again because it is gonna be able to hold a lot more weight. We see the potential with 4 pounds, 5 pounds for a couple seconds before it fell off. And we literally put it up a couple minutes ago. So we've decided to take off the quick seal, the caulk here, and we're actually going to be using pure silicone
All purpose.
because
It is a good exterior adhesive and it's also waterproof. So hopefully this will give us a stronger flex. I know we used to use this to hold sinks into bathrooms, so hopefully it can hold Grace's to ceiling. So with silicone and caulk, unlike glues, you actually want a thicker layer because they don't set up the same way in their cross-linking as they're curing. And so the thicker layer you have, the more adhesion you'll end up having.
This smells funky.
That's the acetic acid or vinegary smell.
Is that going to eat away the sole of my shoe?
No, you'll be fine, I hope.
I
Oh!
can't see.
all right.
All right.
Okay, and we're lifting up and okay.
All right, go down, Grace.
Now go down.
There we go.
Feels so funky.
We're back. We have let the caulk cure on the ceiling for our little string dowel buddy here and Grace's shoes because we really wanted those to be secure. So there was no question as if they're cured all the way.
They also put the string out of reach, so I could not hang on it while it cured.
That was intentional. So before I undo that, we got a bucket. It's gonna help us out this time. We're just gonna tie the string to the bucket handle, put the blocks of wax in here, and what we have over here in front of Kenan is scales. So if it does fall at some point, we can pick it up, test it on the scale to see how much weight it actually held. I think it's gonna hold it all. I hope it holds it all.
I
So
hope
that
it
we
holds
can
it
just
all,
move on to the
too.
shoes and feel confident. So just put one in at a time and just let it steady so it's not like bouncing and jiggering around. I mean, it's looking good. Not seeing any movement up top. I'm gonna put this brick in, so this is gonna be a lot more than a block of wax. See if that holds. That's holding.
Dang.
We got another brick, more bricks. This is a good sign, so that, Grace, you're feeling more confident about hanging upside down?
Oh, I was confident either way.
The string
The
would
string
break.
is breaking before. I'm pulling on it with a lot of force. And the
Okay.
string is like the knots coming unwound before like that is.
If you, there it is. So that was a lot of Grace force coming down.
My feet were almost off the floor.
It's the string, it's not the
Yeah,
caulk.
it's not the caulk, it's the string.
Yeah.
So it's probably like a 60 to 80 pound, we'll give a big range there, of what this string can actually hold. Caulk, no problem.
Let's go!
Okay, here we go. This is working.
1 foot.
What a video.
Oh no, it's stuck on my shoe. I'm a lot heavier than I thought. This is difficult.
All right, so we got one shoe, almost there.
I'm trying to tie it really tight.
This is my workout for the day. And fully. Oh my God, it's working!
Oh!
It's working! How do you feel, Grace?
I feel like I can do sit-ups.
You can do sit-ups.
Oh, shit.
Oh my! This is working. Oh my gosh.
strong, but.
And the shoes are tight enough. She's not slipping out of her shoes at all. The silicone's not even wiggling.
This is
This is
insane.
Holy crap, it worked. I think.
You didn't trust in the silicone.
Yeah, the question is like, where is the weak point, right? Is it going to be the screws and the studs or the silicone? Which would give out first?
My feet will.
Probably her feet coming out, and there we go. Nice exit.
Thank you.
Good dismount. 10 out of 10.
Stuck the landing.
Thank you.
Oh!
Whoa. I think you got a little bit more than
All right.
me.
Oh yeah, that's easy. You can even do like abs. Oh yeah. That is so cool.
I want to do it again.
If you want to make a home gym, silicone and shoes, and probably a 2x4 and a screw, you can make it happen. It's working. You can hang tons of stuff on the ceiling with silicone or caulk. So if you want to see us hang anything else from the ceiling with silicone, put it in the comments below. Maybe we'll do it for you.
Maybe we can stick me to the ceiling.
I like that. Forever.
Forever and ever and ever. If you like this kind of content, make sure you hit subscribe right down in that corner so you never miss any more content just like this. Yeah! No!
Yeah.
Someone help me! Someone has to tear it down! Oh no.